Hello, I am Mahmoud Saleh from University of Mishkolsk. I'm here to talk about the new explicit method for solving heat conduction equation. The main goal of this study is to improve the performance of well-known hopscotch method when solving heat conduction equation. Unlike hopscotch method, which uses two formulas when calculating the temperature, we used several different formulas. Also, we used fractional time step instead of full time step. Finally, our new schemes were tested against some conventional methods in case of large systems. In this presentation, I'm gonna briefly describe our new method, and I'll show you some results of numerical experiments we conducted. In our method, we used 10 different formulas. The first formula was derived from the constant neighbor method. It's a new explicit stable method for solving heat conduction equation. Actually, here I'm showing you the simplest formula in case of one-dimensional system, but for more details or more complicated system, you can check the first reference mentioned at the end of this presentation. The other 9 formulas were derived from theta method. This is the formula of theta method, and as we notice here, whenever we change the value of theta, we get a new formula. Actually, we chose the value of theta from this interval. Since this interval contains 9 values, then we get 9 different formulas. After I introduce the formulas we used in our method, I can show you briefly the structure of our method. We classify the cells of the space domain into odd cells and even cells. Our method contains 3 stages. In the first stage, for odd cells, first stage, we take half time step, and then we calculate the temperature at the end of this half time step using one of the previous formulas. After that, we go to the second stage for even cells, but in this case we take full time step. We calculate again the temperature, and we go to the third stage for odd cells, and again we take half time step. Since we have 10 formulas with 3 stages, then we are left with 10,000 possible methods. In our experiment, we compared those 1,000 methods, and we selected the best 6 combination of these methods. In our numerical experiment, we used 2D in homogeneous system with large number of cells. When evaluating the error in our calculation, we used 2 norms. The first norm is the average error, and the second norm is the energy error. In this table, I'm showing you the best 6 combination of our schemes. In the first experiment, we tested a moderately stiff system. This is the average error as a function of the time step size. We can notice that our methods are of the second order. Here is the energy error as a function of the time step size. We can notice that our methods are more accurate than the original hopscotch method. Here is the energy error as a function of running time. We can notice that our methods are much more faster than the MATLAB routine and the original hopscotch method. In the second experiment, we tested a very stiff system. Then we compared the best 2 methods with the conventional methods such original hopscotch and Frankel. Also, we compared them with our previous work, shifted hopscotch, leapfrog hopscotch. You can find these works at the second and third reference of this presentation. Here is the energy error as a function of running time. In case of a very stiff system, we can notice that our methods are still faster than the MATLAB routine, and from the original hopscotch method as well. Here are some references. Thank you for your attention.